Hello everyone, welcome back again to another episode of Showcasing Lifestyle and many more. How are you all doing? I don't come back again. Oh. So let me see who is joining. Come in. Okay. So are you guys seeing me? So hello. Okay. So may I turn the camera? Oh yeah, give me the card. Then you come. Give me the bag. Secure the bag. Okay, so now, Ide. Okay, all right. Okay, so this one now, Nadia Abi our ATM. So okay. So you know worry, just for hold on first. My fair put all those one. Then if they bring the rest, come on. You take her.
Let me look.
Yes. Take. Yes, give me the card. Give me the card. Oh yeah, give me the card.
Maybe I'm coming. Okay.
Give me the card.
Okay, take it.
Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, me.
Okay.
So we are coming, Now this red now they use. You now see the reason why. You now see the reason why I love money. Red means love. I love money. Oh yeah, genuine money. Not be illegal one. Okay. Be careful. Don't press that one. If you press that
Okay, yeah, just go now.
Okay, all right. No, shift. So that
Check inside my check inside my purse if there any other ones still there. Okay, good.
So let's go there.
Yeah,
You
quick here.
Then,
Una dey see her now.
okay.
She want put her inside service.
So here.
It's very easy when you want to save money. You see the thing don't open now.
You open it.
So,
If I say make I put up,
oh, yeah, look at now.
Because it's too high.
Okay.
So I go dey do one step by step.
See now.
So make we first put this one. Then. Okay?
Yeah.
I said don't swallow.
You don't swallow now.
Meaning the money is free. Now people who na dey comment it show.
You shock. The same one at the comment you shock. Oh yeah. They say now so. Oh yeah.
So,
Okay. You don't bring receipt.
No, you never bring.
Okay. Okay. You never finish. Okay. Oh yeah. Me na dey see o. Me na dey see o. Me na dey see am. See, machine say me we wait to VAT. Beat a VAT. You don't open it again.
It don't swallow that.
It don't swallow that first one now.
Okay,
She don't.
that one is too many. Because
If it's too many, it go let you know.
it go tear.
This year. So the machine they respect money where too many. Yeah, can't problem. You see, everything is going to excess service. This is excess service. Now money why I give my daughter essay. Yeah. Oh yeah, man, the comment is shock. So Mimi, the comment, Mimi go get 15,000 euro next month. Now me talking. Once I talk, I do. Or talking, I do. Oh yeah, just they put on. Okay, beat it, VAT, make a your shoulder. Okay.
So you have to die, yes.
So, this is Queen Mrs. Yobosa, the Bond Street Queen.
Queen of all
Worldwide.
the queen of all
Natural.
real life queen.
He shock. Man, I just the comment, he shock. Then they comment, he shock. 1K in the ass, 1K in the ass. So yeah. Let it get to 2,000 again. You say beat a vatten. Okay? You see it? Sir, beat a vatten so that make the thing open again. Make it swallow. So tell the machine they respect money. Say the money too big. Oh yeah, no. You say they save money through machine. But if I want to collect any of my money with bundle, now me and manager, you know if you collect them, yeah. Now only 1K a day that they collect from machine, yeah. You understand? So but if I want to collect bundle, now me and manager, see the manager there, yeah, me and now we they sit down, we'll sit down. once they open tomorrow, me and I go sit down, I'll collect 20, 30, 40, 50, any amount I want, I'll collect. It's my money. It's my money. Mr. Yobosa money. I have the money. National, maybe they see him. Worldwide. He shook. Yeah, everybody they write shook. He shook. Yes, now I not with you. When woman they see money, everybody not with you. See, huh? Why not with you? When woman they see money? Oh yeah, they put money. Now money why I suffer for all of you now. Oh yeah. The one when I will still give you the con. I will share money for all of you. Now me talking. Oh yeah, now they dance. I go share money for all of una. Each of una birthday, I go put better money for una. Now me talking, not be by math, natural. See now, vital. Okay, last boy. Okay, oh yeah. They put on.
Now what did I say like the ATM? Not the tire.
Just they put money. This machine ready to collect sack of money. The next one Mimi is 15,000 next month, 15K. Make the bank the year and everywhere worldwide. All police worldwide made a decision. Now why? That's Yobosa one. Why? Not the shake. I get everything. I work 2-4, sweat every day.
So now because say we don't carry and come make the see. Make the see amount.
Okay, see the amount now. Sir?
Sie haben 10,000 Euro eingezahlt. That is, I paid him 10,000 Euro.
Okay.
So now, waiting I go do now because he don't finish.
Okay.
Then you go Einzahlung buchen. That is, you press this one. That is,
Okay.
you go come give you receipt. Where
You see the amount? Hey.
See, I see the receipt.
Yeah.
So I can collect.
So it don't bring receipt now.
You come carry your receipt.
Okay. Now you have to carry your receipt.
Okay.
10,000. Yeah, 10,000.
Okay. So
Okay.
I collect back the.
Okay. So choose, guys. Love you all.
No. Never cut am. Hold on. You have to see me. Hello. So my people, thank you all so very much. Okay, I'm doing this not because of a negative comment. I'm doing it. I did this because of my suburban gang. You understand? Because I don't know. I don't want to make all this trust. Where be say una don't build, una trust me, so na cause I just say make I do am so that trust it go still dey, it go still remain. Mrs. Yobosa don't live fake life. You understand? Mrs. Yobosa no dey live fake life. The only crime where be say the thing say I don't commit for life is to get children before my husband put money for my head. So that is the only crime I have
guys, love you all.
committed. So apart from that, Mrs. Yobosa is genuine. She don't live fake life. So comment down below because I really need content. Like I said before, anything where be say you comment. Now till they bring out my content. So love you also so very much.
Bye,
don't
guys.
Forget to know hard work page.
Share the
go and
video
work.
worldwide.
If you know say you not get job, go and look for a legal job, hard work. Okay. Love
Bye,
you all so
guys.
much so that you will be like Mr. and Mrs. Yobosa. Bye.
Bye, guys.